Hello! Today we'll show you how to remove background noise from audio and video with Wondershare Uniconverter 14 on Windows. Launch Wondershare Uniconverter 14. You can download Uniconverter 14 from the link below. Step 1. Import the target audio or video to Uniconverter 14. Click Noise Remover. Click Add Files, and select and import the target audio or video file to the program. Let's pause the media to avoid distractions. Step 2. Define output preferences. Open this file location menu. Choose an output folder and click OK. Step 3. Export and access the media. Click Start All. Wait while the media with the clean audio is exported. You can access the produced file from the output folder, which opens up after the process completes. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare Uniconverter for free. See you in the next video.